Welcome to our SunPower Equinox Pro Tips video. Today we are unboxing the InvisiMount composition shingle attachment with Pegasus. This kit, which is only available from SunPower, has been specifically designed to be compatible with SunPower InvisiMount Rails and includes rail attachment hardware. Let's open the box and see what's inside. At the top we have 3 envelopes, color-coded for easier organization. Inside the dark yellow envelope are the M10 T-Bolts, designed to work specifically with InvisiMount Rails, and which attach the rail to the L feet. The white envelope has the matching M10 Nuts, which will secure the rail and T-Bolts to the L feet. The M10 hardware is only offered by SunPower with Pegasus. In the pale yellow envelope are the 5/16 by 4.5 inch long stainless steel lag screws with captured washer. These will be used to attach the flashing and L feet to the roof structure. Next is a stack of composition flashings with alignment notches which make it easy to slide your flashing into the proper location under shingle courses. The cast aluminum L feet are nicely nestled at the bottom of the box. Each one has an inverted cone on the inside designed to match up with the 3/4 inch cone on the flashing. To see it assembled, the L foot easily sits on the flashing, with the lag screw inserted into the flashing cone. The T-bolt fits through the L foot slot, which has 1.5 inch vertical adjustability. The bolt head provides a visible slot to verify the T-bolts are turned correctly. And there you have it, the Pegasus Composition M10 L foot install kit. Thanks for checking out this video, and to learn more, check out the description for links to helpful resources and other training videos.